just a music player. So we need a well. So I'm going to create a new well here. So just normal patrol and get a trace for it. Good, I don't care about that. So here I have my well, and I insert this music player, and I'm going to select this well, and then let's see, what do we want? So I had a tiger. Are you up for that? Or Top Gun? Top Gun, okay. You got it. So I'm loading Top Gun, and I'm going to start playing Top Gun here. So that's all cool. So we have a music player in Patrol, that's great. But we need something more, right? So we have... I need to be able to perform as well. So what it does is actually that it's interacting with Patrol. It's a plugin to Patrol. So it's sampling this music onto a well log, and obviously a sonic log. So you can see my well here, and I really get this real-time feed going here. So yeah, that's all cool, but let's bring up some proper logging tool here. So I'll open the well selection window, and I'll add this to a new track, and you see kind of my well log is coming live here. You can give it some colors as well, just to make it nice. And then another thing I like is that, I mean, this is simple. It's a music player in Patrol. All it does is that it reads the volume of the MP3 and it samples it onto a well log. The code is this much. It's not much. This was written in a day. But the nice thing is that you get everything for free. So all the powerful visualization of Patrol, we just reuse it here. So when I go here to my histogram, you see kind of the spectrum getting updated, right? So you can really get into your music and analyze how it feels. So it just works with all the windows. It's quick, it's seamless, and you can look at both. And it's all just good. So this is a way to work with Patrol that I tend to like on a Monday morning. This is a bit gloomy outside. But we need to do another song. So I the tiger as well. It gives a good log spike, yeah? Wait. Yeah, I like that. Yeah, sure. Okay, so that's my music player as well. Okay, so it's up to you. Should we code a bit, or should I show you a bit more things you can do with Patrol?
What's the cost?
The cost of this? Oh, that's you need to send me an email. I'll give you a quote. We can discuss afterwards.
Use the voucher.
Yeah, use the voucher. Use the voucher on me. No, it's not for sale, sorry. It's too powerful. Yeah, so should we go into coding? Not just yet, or I have a lot more. I'll show a couple of more things. So this is just to kind of feed your curiosity about what you can do with Ocean. And like I said, this is really simple. This is just a music player to a well log. I'll wait with that one. This is a good one. So here I could have been showing you slides, and they would have probably looked like this. And I could have gone through it and talked about the same thing as Guido just did. But I like my slides a bit differently. So if I go to Patrol and I hit import on a seismic survey, I can find another file format here. So it's very neat. It's very subtle. and it's a picture strip seismic. So that's another plugin I have, and the only place it shows up is in the import dialog. And what it does is that it loads JPEGs. So I have my presentation here. I'm gonna load that in. It requires a syntax here. Oops. Right. Okay. So I'm loading it, and it's reading my data, my seismic. And let's see. Right, a bit distorted. So here's my slides, and I need to skip one at a time. So I would talk to you like this, yeah? And obviously, this works very well, but it's black and white because the seismic cube has one data point per per pixel or per sample. Yeah. So I can't give you colors, sorry about that. But this is a way of flipping through my slides. So I talk about what is ocean and the vision and things like that. And this slide you recognize, but I can sort of flip through it. Play it back and forth. And I can even look at it in the time slice. Instead of reading the whole thing, I can just Anyhow, that's not as much fun as looking at this one, I think. So it takes a bit of time because seismic is a lot of data. So I've imported this one already. And here I can go ahead, get a geophysics process. And I can play this HD movie, yeah? So it's a bit nice to, well, if you have the other plugin as well, you can play some music on your well log and then watch some movie in your seismic queue. It's kind of neat. And yeah, the same thing here, if you get tired of the movie, you can just watch it in a time slice. Yeah. The cool thing is that you can see what's coming, so you can look a bit into the future here. You see that it's kind of moving into the fissure, yeah, the tail and all that. So that's kind of neat. And this is also a simple plugin. It just reads an image and puts it into the seismic cube. So done quite quickly in Ocean. Yeah, what should we do then? We should move into. So, which domains do you represent here? Are you geophysicists or reservoir engineers or geologists, modeling? I'll do some pilgrimage stuff in the end, I think. But I need some of you guys to participate. So we'll save that for the end. Can we continue a bit on geophysics? Reservoir engineers, anyone? Reservoir engineers, yeah, a bit of simulation, is that fun? So I can show my latest simulator.